The planes in SOLIDWORKS are a great way to make sure that our design is accurate, flexible, and well structured. We're going to take a look at how we can offset planes in SOLIDWORKS. We can use these planes to dimension, to mate, and use for a wide number of other reasons. Although we have our default front, top, and right plane, we can easily create additional planes to help with our geometry. There are a couple ways that we can offset our planes. One, we can simply select the plane that we want to offset, hold Control, and start dragging off of that plane. This will open the plane tool, so that way we can come in here and say however far we want that plane to be. The other way we can do this is simply by going to our Reference Geometry tab and selecting Plane. This again will allow us to select a plane, whether it's from the screen directly or from the flyout menu. And we could tell this how many planes we might want, the distance between these planes, and even add additional references so that these planes can be rotated or shifted. But if all we're looking to do is offset them, we have these two methods discussed, again with just reference geometry planes, or simply selecting a plane, holding Control, and dragging off of this. If you try this for yourself and seem to be having some issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help with anything that might occur when going through your SOLIDWORKS workflows. Thanks everyone. Tune in next time for some more video tech tips.